is Matthew Niederberger. I'm the head of user experience at Thomas Cook, Netherlands and Belgium. Thomas Cook is in the business of selling holidays. Online we do this through 5 different websites, 3 in the Netherlands and 2 in Belgium. The specific issues that got us thinking about customer experience management basically came down to the booking funnel. We were seeing a lot of people dropping off during their visit. They'd taken all the effort to make their way to the booking funnel, but they didn't proceed to finish off their booking. So we really wanted to find out why they weren't booking. Was it because of errors? Was it performance issues? Where maybe it was a usability issue within the booking funnel itself. So we needed a tool to really dig deep and find out what was happening so we could focus our efforts on optimizing that. Developers often say, you know, with their testing, they can find, let's say, maybe about 75 to 80% of the problems within the code, but it's the visitors who come to our website, they'll find the remaining 20, and T-Leaf will allow us to find and identify those the 20% remaining errors. T-Leaf has helped us improve our online experience actually from day one. Soon after we finished off the implementation, we got everything in place. We quickly identified a €3 million potentially loss in revenue because of some silly errors within the website, some technological errors. 900,000 euros of which was caused it was actually a payment issue. We quickly got on that. We fixed the issue, and soon enough, at the bottom line, we saw the difference immediately. If you can put a euro sign and give it a digit, I think any CEO or CTO will have to agree that something needs to be done to fix the issues on the website, not only to keep the customer happy, but also to keep the bottom line happy. T-Leaf allows us to use that data not only online, but also offline. So what we basically do is when we've identified visitors going through the booking process on our website and they run into a specific error, it depends, of course, at what step in the process they are, but if they've already passed the step where they've filled in their personal information, name and phone number, we'll pass that information on to our customer contact center and just ask them, go help these people out because they struggled, they weren't able to make their booking, maybe you can help them along. So customer contact at that point will collect the data from T-Leaf, pick up the phone, call them saying, we've identified, we've seen you've visited our website, and if you had a problem with booking your desired holiday online, is there anything we can do for you to make sure that you can still book it? The competitive advantage we get from using T-Leaf within Thomas Cook is, although it's a lot of people don't like the term, but it's real time. We can identify real quickly if things are going wrong on our website. We can identify certain segments of customers running into issues during their visits on the website. So with T-Leaf, we can keep our finger on the pulse, and we can make sure that the website's working, and we can quickly identify any errors that are happening on the website. Does T-Leaf give us a good return on investment? I would have to say yes, it does. So in a nutshell, T-Leaf does 2 main things for us, and maybe even for me in the position that I'm in. The first one it allows us to understand the user or the visitor behavior on the website. Visitors will come to the website, they'll find their own way of navigating, even though you've set down a nice funnel for them to move down, they'll find their own way of navigating through the website. T-Leaf will allow you to discover these new methods, discover how the visitor actually behaves on the website, and allow you to change your website accordingly. And the second most crucial part for T-Leaf is that it allows me to actually show my colleagues what the visitors are experiencing on the website. Once you have a full understanding of how the customer really experiences you online, as soon as you have that, you can go for gold.